Hi everyone. Every day I get thousands of questions in my private messages. How much capital do I need to start? How much can I earn? And is it realistic to start with a small amount of money? Look, many people think you need something like this to make money in the market, that you need to be a millionaire to get started. That's a myth. Yes, it's easier to work with a large capital, but you can and should start even with a small amount. Here, $100. This is a minimum deposit I personally recommend for starting. Why? Because it's an amount with which you can comfortably follow risk management rules and still earn a noticeable profit. Today, I don't just want to answer your questions, but to show you everything with a real example. I've specifically founded my pocket option account with exactly $100 and we'll go through the journey together and see what comes out of it. But there is an important point. To make this video more dynamic, I'm changing the rules a bit. My risk per trade will be increased and I'll be betting 10% of the deposit, which is $10. And listen up. I'm doing this only for demonstration purposes. I strongly recommend you to risk no more than 1 to 3% of your deposit per trade. And remember that discipline is the key to long-term success. And now let's get to the strategy. Alright guys, let's move on to our pocket option platform, and as you can see, my settings are already set up. All the settings are in my Telegram channel, so links in the description. And let me quickly show you the settings. So first what we have: chart type, candles, and 50-second time frame. We have two indicators: MACD, CCI. Let me show you settings of each one. MACD, fast period 5, slow period 13, and signal period 3. Stats we leave as a default. Safe. CCI, period 14, and styles, here we have zones from 100 to -100. Save it. Expiration time is 30 seconds. Alright guys, I see a good entry point. Our first indicator MACD shows that green line crossed red one above, and our second indicator CCI went from -2 zone upward. That's our second confirmation. Win! We got this, guys. The first signal profitable. Okay guys, let's find another currency pair and another entry point. Guys, good sell point. Why we entered? Our first indicator MACD, green line crossed red one below. The second confirmation in CCI indicator is that our line, yellow line, went downward from 100 point. Let's show whether it's gonna be profitable or not. Okay guys, I was in a hurry, we got minus here, but let me look deeply into the strategy and make another one profitable. Sell entry point. Let's get it. Our MACD indicator shows that green line crossed above red one, and the second confirmation CCI went downward from our 100 point in the zone. Let's see how it works. I hope it's gonna be profitable. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got this. It's profitable, guys. Let's move on. Let's close another trade. Guys, I'm changing amount to $30 to get more. Guys, sell entry point. Why we got this? Because our CCI indicator yellow line went downward with huge intensity, and MACD green line crossed the red one below. Excellent job. That's one more win. Let's move on. Okay guys, buy entry point. I was waiting for some time, and what I saw is that our CCI indicator yellow line went upward. MACD indicator green line crossed red one above. That's our two confirmation of our signal. Let's take a look. Great, that was solid trade. Very confident. So let's summarize today's trading session. We started with $100, made 3 trades, of which 3 were profitable, and our final balance is $162.80. This means that in one short session, we essentially made 62% on our deposit. That's an excellent result. Of course, it's not always like this, there will be losing days too, but this clearly shows that even with $100, by following a clear system you can earn consistently. If you enjoy this format and want to get more working strategies, daily analytics, and just be in a community of people who earn with their minds, I invite you to my Telegram free channel. There I share all my experience completely for free, and the link is in the description under this video. Join us, like this video, and see you soon in the next episodes.